Hurricane Helene was downgraded to a tropical storm on the morning of September 27th after making landfall on Florida as a Category 4 hurricane the night before in the Big Bend region of Florida. The storm left a wake of destruction along Florida's Gulf Coast. Multiple cities reported severe flooding due to the storm, and videos posted on social media showed houses floating away due to storm surge flooding. Surges were reported to rise as high as 9 feet in some areas. Nearly 1 million people were reported to have lost power in Florida because of Helene. By September 27th morning, the storm had weakened to a Category 1 hurricane and entered Georgia. Videos posted to social media as the storm hit Georgia showed strong wind gusts estimated to be around 60 miles per hour, heavy rain, and transformers blowing out in and around Savannah.